Hello and Yali Madad. My name is Simran Maradia, and today we'll be diving into the design concept of this cube. We can't wait to take you on a vibrant visual and cultural journey celebrating the Southwest Jamat. Since the initial migration of our Jamat to the Southwest region of the U.S., we have planted deep roots, embraced the local culture, and built thriving communities that reflect our rich heritage. Each side of the cube tells a unique story, not just about where we come from, but about how we are as a community and how the Ismaili community has shaped this region. First, we start with the heart of Texas culture. Texas has a proud and enduring tradition of craftsmanship rooted in generations of skill and dedication. We wanted to honor this legacy by celebrating the artistry, creativity, and hard work that define the spirit of this region. From handmade leather goods to designs inspired by cowboy culture, these visuals represent the essence of the Lone Star State. Moving on, Side 2 deep dives into everything that screams Texas. This side is filled with symbols that Texans hold close to their hearts. There's NASA's Space Center, reminding us how Texas continues dreaming big. A guitar takes a front seat because, of course, Austin is the live musical capital of the world. And we couldn't forget football, a sport so intertwined with Texas culture. These symbols come together to show the unstoppable spirit of Texas. But it's not just symbols that define Texas, it's the language. On Side 3, we celebrate common, down-home Texas phrases that make our everyday conversations so unique. From the friendly howdy that welcomes you with a smile to the unmistakable charm of y'all that brings people together, these expressions reflect the warmth and hospitality that define Texan culture. While the first three sides capture Texas culture and traditions, Side 4 hits closer to home. Houston will soon be home to the 7th Ismaili Center in the world. The design of the center embraces Islamic design philosophy, celebrating its unique qualities while highlighting the elements it shares with Western design. The background pattern reflects the stone design of the building's facade, and the center geometry depicts the central atrium within the building, both incorporating traditional Persian forms and ornaments inspired by Islamic architecture. This space isn't just a building. It will be a physical symbol of our commitment to community and will serve as a symbol of dialogue. Speaking of symbols, Side 5 shines light on the tolerant statues out in Buffalo Bayou Park. These were generously gifted to the city of Houston through the efforts of the Houston Arts Alliance, with significant contributions from Maulana Shah Karim and generous members of the Ismaili community. The 7 figures represent the 7 continents, symbolizing the need for tolerance, openness, and understanding in our interconnected world. Each sculpture's framework features alphabetic symbols from 9 languages, reflecting the idea that regardless of language, our lives share common experiences. Finally, we wrap up with Side 6, a celebration of the Southwest Jamat itself. Our community is incredibly diverse, representing countries and cultures from all over the world. Surrounding words like unity, peace, service, and diversity are the names of some of the many countries where our roots can be traced. Together, these values and connections make our Jamat so special. From Texas's rich culture to our global heritage and our shared pluralistic values, the Southwest Jamat is a vibrant tapestry of diversity. Thank you for celebrating with us this beautiful story. Together, we continue to build a brighter future, lifting each other up and contributing to the world around us. Thank you, and Yali Madad.